How does a plant this delicate become this resilient? It's December on the South Irish coast. Most of the garden has already died back for the winter. But here, at the front of the border, taking the Atlantic head-on, is Ajania Pacifica, silver and gold chrysanthemum. It's native to the Pacific clifftops of Japan and endemic to Honshu Island. Places where strength meets constant change, where survival means learning a very particular kind of wisdom. For most of the year, Ajania just exists, quietly spreading underground through its rhizomes, building the greatest strength from within. Its scalloped leaves a deep, dark green tinged with silver underneath. Loose, windproof mounds. The gales just flow over and through. In its native climate, it experiences harsh winters down to a very chilly -28°C. To survive, the plant enters true dormancy, deep rest. Here on the Irish coast, our winters are milder but wetter. The real challenge isn't the cold, it's the relentless rain. But Ajania is perfectly adapted. It thrives in sandy, well-drained soil. Exactly what this coastal region offers. All year, it rests, it waits, it prepares. And then, just as winter arrives, October into December, something remarkable happens. Small clusters of golden buds start to appear. They open slowly, and suddenly, when almost everything else has given up, Ajania offers its gift. These stunning golden flower heads. Not in spring, when it's easy. In winter, when it matters most. They say the deepest rest is the preparation for the deepest growth. Ajania taught me that strength isn't about constant doing. It's about knowing when to wait, when to build beneath the surface, and when, finally, to bloom. Even in December.